Check it out, boys. Got my suit on, got my dress shirt, got my tie bar, handkerchief. I went all out. I look like shit, boys. Yes, I look like JoJo the Clown that is about to go onto stage. The reason why I've desecrated myself and every Moxie out there is to show you how to properly accessorize, but I'm doing it for you. I'm doing it for you 3 viewers out there that are watching this video right now. Today, boys, we're talking about how to properly accessorize a suit. If you guys are liking these videos, please subscribe and comment down below. Again, we're building a network here, guys, a community. We're trying to figure out what you want, what topics you want to discuss. Anyways, guys, today's topic is about how to properly accessorize a suit. And I know that this happens to all of us. Either you're going to work or you're going to a wedding, you try to look your best. But unfortunately, guys, you try to do a little bit too much. So I'm gonna give you some tips when you're looking to accessorize a suit. I want you to think about things like less is more. You want to create an overall balance. Now guys, let's discuss what I'm wearing right now and what's wrong with what I'm wearing. So let's start off with the suit. I've chosen a navy blue suit, which is perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a pinstripe suit, classic. It's good. What I've done though is I've paired it up with a dress shirt, which by the way, this is not a dress shirt and it's a striped dress shirt. Moving on to the tie, I have a paisley pattern tie. And there's nothing wrong with paisley ties. It's just that this pattern with stripes doesn't really go. Then I have a tie bar. Plus, I have a handkerchief, a square handkerchief. All together, it's just got too much going on, and that's the problem. So next time you're gonna think about how to accessorize your suit, you have to ask yourself a few questions. What of the ensemble do you want to pop out? What is that essential piece that you want to take center stage from the outfit? And you have to create balance. Now, most of the times, that centerpiece that I'm talking about is the tie, because most of us, guys, let's face it, only have 2 or 3 suits in our wardrobe. So you have a bunch more ties, and that's the only way that you can kind of mix things up a little bit. So, talking about a tie, I actually want to go with a nice, bold, rich tie, and so I have to pick something a little bit subtle on the back, and I've chosen a white shirt. Let me show you. So, I've decided to go with a crisp white shirt, a nice purple tie, solid tie, and I really like this shirt because of the way that the light bounces off it, and I think it's gonna look great with a navy blue suit. I'm going to get rid of this handkerchief and I'm going to switch it up for a white or even a purple one. Here's a purple one with the different color ways, or your regular old school white. And I love this one because of the fact that it's classic. It's kind of have that Mad Men look to them and they don't go out of style. Then we have to look about the shoes. Now, I've gone with some brown shoes with some funky socks. Again, a little bit too much going on there, guys. I don't have anything wrong with funky socks. You know me, I like color. But if you overdo it, you do look a little bit ridiculous. I have Mr. T-Rex going on right there. There's nothing wrong with these socks. It's just the way that I paired them up with this entire ensemble is my problem. So guys, let's switch it up and see what it looks like when I change from this to this. See, boys, I've actually made this my lead actor. This is taking center stage in my entire outfit because I am wearing a nice white crisp shirt, a classic navy blue suit, and nice bold tie. And just adding a little slight hint of color, even though it's white, but it's still color, that balances the entire outfit, I think, pretty nicely. Okay, again guys, less is more. Now moving down to the shoes, I've chosen nice burgundy leather shoes and some gray socks. Again, I'm more of the fan of classics, less is more, creating that balance. A word to the wise, when you're picking out the shoe, make sure that it matches with your belt. Again, also another thing to take into consideration is the buckle. If it's gold and you're wearing a gold watch, you're good. But if you're in a silver watch with a gold buckle, it might not look that good. So next time you decide to wear a gold watch, look for a gold buckle, or if it's a silver buckle, then silver watch. So guys, that's pretty much it. If you want to maybe add a little bit more to this, then you could probably go for, like I mentioned, another type of handkerchief. And I can switch this one out and kind of just stuff this one in really quick, just to give you guys something a little bit different. Again, Nice color combo between the tie, the handkerchief, white shirt, crisp. It's nice, it's subtle, it's classic. Guys, remember, next time you're in front of the mirror, ask yourself, what do you want to take center stage? And then build balance around that. Well, that's it, boys. True Moxie balance.